Viendo, hola. Dale. Come on.
Bueno. Mama, someday you'll be so proud of me. You'll see me hanging in a New York gallery. Someday I'm gonna drive from the left side of my brain. People gonna ask, is it brilliant or plain? But as long as I don't know how to hang a Warhol, I keep sketching birds that are all like her. Very simple and true, like you've known me to do. And if you like it, then yeah. But if you don't, it's not bad, 'cause I really don't care.
Said that someday I'm gonna write a symphony.
48-piece band all dressed up like me. I said I'd write someday the saddest of all songs. I'm gonna feel the marrow in their bones. But as long as I can get into Carnegie Hall and keep writing songs that I own my own, very simple and dumb, like I've always have done.
And if you like them,
Yeah, but if you don't, it's too bad. That's all I have ever since I met her. I keep thinking, God, how good it is to play a guitar. This way I feel that she's always